Bad news for Spurs fans. Kawhi Leonard is out indefinitely with that quad injury. He came back, he played in some games. He even had some decent games. Oh, look at that slam. Take another look at that going over. 2 Spurs defenders. Kawhi is just not himself in the games that he came back. He has no explosiveness. So hopefully he has a full recovery, gets back to himself 100%. Patty Mills, he had 7 threes tonight. And LaMarcus Aldridge with 34 points as they're lighting up the Brooklyn Nets. Second half, Spurs starting to extend this lead. Look at his slam. The resurgence this season of LaMarcus Aldridge is nice to watch because after the playoffs, he wanted to get traded and Coach Greg Popovich couldn't believe it. He never had a player say, hey, I want to be traded. So he took that as a challenge. Nets knocking down a 3. 2 minutes remaining. Dinwiddie gets a clutch bucket. Uh-oh. Could the Nets steal this game from the Spurs? Patty Mills dumps it off to LaMarcus Aldridge and 1. Spurs hold on.
Oh, it's a fake! Oh, it's a fake! Oh, safety! Oh, man!
This is literally the game that will never end. So I'm going to go for another touchdown. We're going over the top.